Every so often, Adventure Highway brings me to a place where time seems to stop. Tonight, I found myself standing at the edge of the water, watching a storm sweep across the horizon. Just as the sun began to set, the sky lit up with power and beauty, a reminder that nature always writes the most breathtaking stories. I never know exactly where the road will take me, but moments like this, they remind me that I am truly blessed to be on this unforgettable journey.